Hello everybody! I want to show you my sunny weekend with few toys for boys. First, I need to prepare my drone setup. This is the Protek 60. I'm going to remove the camera mount and change radio receiver. Now I'm making few custom parts. I'm using FreeCAD software and my 3D printer Ender 5. Before getting to the safe drone testing point, it's good to burn some tires. Mission complete. Now let's fly. This is the view from my Walksnail HD Avatar goggles. And this is the GoPro 13. I went much too low on this pack. This flight time was quite good for me. Let's prepare ATVs for flying in the forest. Meet my very good friend Przemek. He's known for being fearless. When he sees the straight, he put full gas. drink delivery for my wife. approach the first spot, I'm going to fly with Protek 35. Let's burn some few packs. That's the first crash, I don't know why it happened. Range was good, vision was okay, it just fell down. It's good to have rescue crew on ATV. Back to the air. Second spot with Protek 35. When I saw those legs, I knew I have to try. Open space requires bigger drone and faster one. Now Protek 60 Pro. I knew this terrain and I have placed myself in not the best position, so I will lose vision for a while and need to recover. Please don't blink for a moment because it will be close. That's the end of the weekend. Now we are going home. Thank you for watching my toys for 40 years old boys.